Hi folks, today I wanted to show you how you can set up ChatGPT with voice commands in less than 1 minute. This is a no-code tutorial, so it should be pretty easy for everyone to follow. The way we're gonna do it is we're going to install a couple of extensions in Google browser. These are the web ChatGPT and the voice control for ChatGPT. If you want to generate some voice content, or you prefer voice over typing and reading, or simply just want to experiment and interact with it in voice, this is a very good start. So let's jump right into it. So to start with, we need to install the web ChatGPT extension into our Google browser, and then we're gonna have to install also the voice control extension for ChatGPT there. You can see that these have been downloaded quite a lot of times in this called of users, particularly the web ChatGPT here. Then we need to simply sign in or log in into our ChatGPT OpenAI account. And when you get the extensions installed, you will notice that you have this big gray bar show up below the chat bar here. You're gonna have some language options here and some other features you can select from. You can go and explore them. Let me show you a quick example. To start the chat, you need to hold the space bar. Pretend that you're a recruiter and you're asking me difficult questions.
Sure, I'd be happy to ask you some challenging questions. Can you please tell me a little bit about yourself and the type of job you're applying for? This will help me tailor the questions.
I'm applying for a product manager job
and experience. Great, thanks for letting me know.
And you get the idea,
Here are
guys.
a few challenging questions that a recruiter might ask a product manager.
Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.